Hello, my students. This is Mr. Murphy for the first video of this year. I've had a few students ask me to review fractions with them, so I thought, okay, we can try it. This is a very short video, not quite sure what I should cover, just kind of doing some fractions. When you're multiplying fractions, you can either multiply straight across, then reduce, or you can reduce it if I have something on the bottom that reduces with something on the top. 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 4 twice. Then you multiply straight across. 5 over 2, or 2.5 if you like that better. So again, here's another problem. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 2 goes into 4 twice. Then you multiply straight across, that'd be 1/6. Now with fractions, the term after the fraction or in the denominator, you take the reciprocal of and multiply it to the first term. So this would be 1/4 times 2 over 1. Now you could multiply straight across, that's fine, or we could reduce it, then multiply straight across. 2 goes into 2 and 2 goes into 4 twice. So that would be 1/2. So this would be 3/4 times the reciprocal, 8 over 1. 4 goes in an 8 twice. So it'd be 6 over 1, or 6. Adding fractions, the first thing you have to do is recut up the pies, the way I think of it. So if you had a half of pi, third of a pi, we got to recut up the bottom so that they have the same size slices. Or another way to say it is, what number does 2 and 3 both divide into nicely? And that is 6. So I'm going to rewrite the fractions so it has 6 in the denominator. So I multiply 2 by 3 to get 6. So I got to multiply the top by 3. 3 times 2 is 6. I multiply the top by 2. And then that would be 5 over 6. So what number does 4 go into nicely and 6 goes into nicely? How about 12? Or another way to do it, 4 is 2 times 2. 6 is 2 times 3. It's the most each unique item occurs in a denominator. So we have 2 2s, 1 2, so I need both 2s. I have no 3, I have 1 3, so the most the 3 occurs is once. So 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12, so I got to multiply the top by 3. 6 times 2 is 12, so I multiply the top by 2. So it'd be 11 over 12. You can distribute a fraction. If you have parentheses with a number out front, you take this and multiply it to every term in the parentheses. So 3/4 times 8, 4 goes in an 8 twice. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Now we have an equation. You could just work with the fractions. Subtract 1/4 x, subtract 1/3. Or you could say, ooh, fractions make me nervous, so I'm going to multiply everything by the LCD. What number does 2, 3, and 4 all divide into nicely? So 1/2 of 12 is 6. 1/3 of 12 is 4. 1/4 of 12 is 3. And 1 times 12 is 12. So I'm going to subtract 3x. So I'd have 3x plus 4 equals 12. subtract 4, 3x equals 8, divide by 3, x equals 8/3. Now I did this kind of quick. I think fractions is like 6th grade. So I hope this helped you somewhat. I don't know. I just thought I'd show you some fraction work and maybe you would remember it. So hey, have a good day.